Hello everyone, this is Not from KraftWork, and I'm here to show you now the second part of my new release at Earbird. I showed you a few days ago the American pleat curtain system, and now I am going to show you this new piece which is part of this set, and it's called Sienna's Hutch and Clutter. Um, as you can see here on my models folder, this is all you get. So basically, when you buy the Hutch and Clutter set, you're going to receive 30 items. These 30 items are sometimes repeated. They have a color variation, and you actually get two of these pieces, and I'm going to show you which is the difference between these two options. So in your pack, you're gonna have an item called KraftWork Sienna's Hutch, and you're going to have another one called the same KraftWork Sienna's Hutch with props. So what does that mean? It means that I have already set up 4 options of decor for you because I know it's a lot of trouble to setting up all these. Sometimes you want just one on another decor piece, but at times you're gonna need everything all together. So I've already set up 4 options for you. Let's take a look at how these options work. So when you raise your with props version of the Hutch and you click, the first menu that pops up is the texture change, which we're going to be talking about later. So if you close that first menu with the texture change, you're going to be seeing now the decor options. So let's try the decor option number 1. You just have to click and decor option number 1 is going to rise for you. So if you have only one piece, you can play with this decor options and choose, or you can res the parts that you want and decorate yourself. And if you have two, you can actually dress a different decor option for the second one. So let's try that. So the first menu is the texture change. I'm gonna ignore. And then you have the options. So we chose the option 1 here. Let's choose decor option 2 here and see what happens. So you have basically the same items, but in a variation. So let's try decor 3. It's a little bit different. See, the book's repeated on top, and then I change it position and colors, and then you have decor option 4. So these options, they're playing with different colors of some items and position. That's basically what it's doing. I'm gonna leave as it is right now. Let's take a look at the texture option. Each Hutch has 4 options for the wood and 3 options for the handles, which I'm calling metals. So let me show you. Of the metals part, you see the option for black metal, which is basically like a clean black metal. You're going to have clean copper and old iron. It has a little bit of dust on it. And then for the hutch itself, let's go up and click wood. You're going to have this clear Fendi, which is not a gray and not a... Oops, it's not working. Give me just 1 second. Well, I'm sorry. It is actually working. This is actually the Fendi option. I thought I was using the white one, so let's jump to the white one and you can see the difference. So this should be the white one, and then you have the rustic black, which by the way have the same wood option as my Dolce set. of table and chairs. And then you have the rustic wood. I'm going to zoom out and change both so you can see. We are using old iron. And then let's go for wood, rustic wood. So this is the rustic wood option. This is the rustic black. And with the rustic black, I actually think that copper handles look better. And then we have a white. And we had the Fendi before when we are raising all the decor. So basically this is it. Everything that you see here is included separate. So all the rose vases, which should be this tall rose, the wine rack, which is here, wine bottle and glasses here, grapes here, the trays with the fruits, so it's like metal and leather fruits, the lily vase, which is here. Candles, you have closed candles and open candles in three different colors, black, white, and green. You have the little wasps in red and white. You have two abstract frames. You have the architecture sketch one. You have the gold vase, which is here. And you have all the books. They're here. So you have the piles and you also have the rows. That's it. If you have any questions, you can IM me, send a note card, and then I'll help you. But it's pretty easy. Just res, click, get the props, or if you don't want the props, you can res the Hutch only, which has the texture change menu. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.